Good morning, students. In this video, we will discuss about the movement started by Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India at the age of 46 from South Africa, and they led Indians in non-violent marches against racist restrictions. He met with Hindus, Muslims, Parsis, Christians, Gujaratis, merchants, lawyers, and workers. It means to every category he met and came to know their views. Then he spent his first years traveling throughout the country, understanding the people, their needs, and overall situations. Then in 1919, Gandhiji gave a call of satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act was oppressive act of Britishers. According to that act, anyone could be arrested without any trial and put behind bar. That act was actually started to curb the activities of nationalist leaders. Against that Black Act, people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh in April 13. There they faced brutal repression. Number of people were killed, and Rabindranath Tagore expressed the pain and anger of the country by renouncing his knighthood. Knighthood was an honor granted by Britishers for exceptional achievement or public services that returned by Rabindranath Tagore. And then Khilafat agitation and non-cooperation movement were started. Khilafat agitation was by Muslim League because in 1920 British imposed a harsh treaty on Turkish Sultan or Khalifa. So all the people throughout the world, all the Muslims throughout the world turned against the colonial powers. As a leader of Khilafat agitation, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali wished to initiate full-fledged non-cooperation movement. Gandhiji supported their call and urged the Congress to campaign against Punjab wrongs and the Khilafat wrongs and demand Swaraj. The non-cooperation movement was became popular in 1921-22. According to that non-cooperation movement, thousands of students left government-controlled schools and colleges. Many lawyers such as Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das, and Rajgopalachari gave up their practices. British titles were surrendered, and people lit fire of foreign clothes. Import of foreign clothes and other goods was prohibited by the people, and between 1920 1922 all these uh, action were came into force. People in many cases resisted British rule non-violently, but Gandhiji's call was taken by them in their own way. Like in Kheda, Gujarat, Pattidas peasants organized non-violent campaigns against the high land revenue. And in Tamil Nadu, liquor shops were boycotted. In Guntur, district of Andhra Pradesh, tribal and poor peasants staged a number of forest satyagrahas against the reservation of forest by the Britishers. So everyone took the call of Mahatma Gandhi in their own way. In Sindh, Muslim leaders and peasants were enthusiastic about Khilafat call. In Bengal too, Khilafat and non-cooperation alliance gave enormous community unity and strength to the movement. In Punjab, Akali agitation of Sikhs sought to remove corrupt Mahants. According to Akalis, Mahants become corrupt and they supported Britishers and they were misusing the money from the Gurdwaras and they wanted to remove those corrupt Mahants from Gurdwaras. That was Akali movement. Assam tea garden laborers were shouting Gandhi Ji Maharaj ki jai. They were demanding a big increase in their wages. They left the British owned plantations, but they were killed in the way when they were leaving their tea plantations. In the Assamese Vaishnava songs of period, the reference of Krishna was substituted by Gandhiji Raja. Means people were giving them the view that he was Masiha or God that will remove all his worries or tensions.